Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Timothy Galvin. I am recording this for my Business 230 class with, here we go. We're going to talk about Uncle Jim's Garage. This is created by Galvin Marketing Services. As you can see, I can put a copyright in there, and there's my name. Moving on. So, we got Uncle Jim's Garage, and we're going to be staging a comeback, which is going to include a reintroduction to the community, focus on quality service, a SWOT, comparison of cost, quality, or speed, extras, and the marketing mix. Now, Uncle Jim's Garage has a legacy of quality and integrity because Uncle Jim never let on where he came from, but as we introduce him, this was his life's work. He opened the garage after he was discharged from the Army after World War II, and Uncle Jim believed doing what right by people was what mattered most. He has truly earned his retirement through generations of hard work, integrity, and care. Nice picture, huh? He's my real grandfather. So, the SWOT analysis here for Uncle Jim's Garage includes the strengths of quality work, integrity, and extras. The weaknesses are his name association and branding. It has suffered. The opportunities are everyone needs repairs. The repair market is a $110 billion industry, so it's really big. There are threats from other repair shops, licensing and regulation, and right to repair issues. If you don't know what it is, go Google it. Alright, so Uncle Jim believes quality plus integrity equals customer satisfaction. And when you have a repair shop, that is truly the way to go. Now, when we talk about quality work, you have three choices: the speed of repair, the expense of the repair, and the quality of the repair. We have to make the public aware of this because you can either have quality, speed, or expense, but you see that little spot right there? It doesn't exist. There is no overlap between speed, quality, and expense. Pick two. We need to reinforce to the public that this is what we're going to be doing: quality work. So this legacy of quality and integrity means doing it right the first time. Integrity means transparency in communication and 100% guarantee on all parts and labor. Service extras that Uncle Jim's Garage is going to have to do to compete include same-day drop-off, email, text, and updates, diagnostic services for free, free towing when you do the work at the garage, free state inspection, which is true in New Hampshire, but not in Maine, unfortunately, and loaner cars when appropriate. Now, we're going to have to do this by preparing a marketing mix. It's going to include social media, community events, print media, and when you put them all together, we're going to be targeting these people for a marketing mix. Now, the community events is where we're going to start. We're going to do sponsorships for brand recognition to turn things around. A good place to start is the Strawberry Festival South Berwick. Seen by 30,000 people a year, you're right downtown. Perfect. Another way is the rec department, with all the recreation activities for the town of South Berwick. Social media includes Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, WhatsApp, and Snapchat. I have to admit, some of the most funny things I've ever seen is a thing called "What Just Rolled Into the Shop." And Uncle Jim would be smart to do something similar. Print media is the very traditional outlet for reaching out to people. It includes flyers, business cards, traditional advertising, and mailings. In conclusion, Uncle Jim's Garage needs a regular SWOT analysis and adaptation. They need to do the work and do it well, and a marketing mix that reaches the right people at the right time for the right things. This project was created for York County Community College's Spring 2020 Business 230 class, The Principles of Marketing by Professor Healy. Thank you very much.